Today I'm working on a Valvetronic unit from a BMW E46 1.8 liter petrol engine, which has a problem with the valve lifter actuator. This is from the variable distribution system, and it's a very common fault on these units. They usually fail, but it fails in many type or forms. I'm gonna measure some components and maybe I can figure out what is the problem with this unit. Let's see under the microscope. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna test those MOSFETs. There are 4 MOSFETs here, and I want to test them because they always fail. And let's see if we can notice something else. We have right here some corrosion, but nothing important. Okay, I can't see any broken component or broken trace. Let's start by measuring these MOSFETs. First of all, I'm gonna measure them. One probe on the ground and one probe on the MOSFET's legs. This is the ground, this screw. Okay, let's measure in resistance mode. Nothing. I guess this is not the ground. Let me check on this one. Okay, so we have 0.5 mega ohms. That's good. And 2.6 kilo. That's good. And here we have 0 ohms. Oh, I guess this is not the ground. Yeah, this is not the ground. Let me find the ground on that PCB. Okay, I found the ground. Is this pin right here? Let's measure. We have 2 kilo ohms. No, it's raising. 2.4.9. Okay, it was a bad connection with my probe. we have 16 kilo ohms. Here we have 9 mega ohms. All okay. All okay. Here we have ground, and that's okay. Seven mega ohms. Six mega ohms. No short, no short. And we have a short here on the gate. This is the gate. Let me measure in ohms mode. Yes, we have 0.6, there is 0.4 ohms. So definitely we have a short. I don't know, maybe I should lift this pin from the board and then read again. But from my experience, this is a bad MOSFET. This one is a bad MOSFET, and maybe I should replace it and save time. To replace that MOSFET, I think I'm gonna use low melt solder to lower the melting temperature of this unleaded solder, because this is a thick board and it is glued to this radiator here on the back. On the back it has a very big radiator, and it's gonna take too much time to desolder it just with the hot air station. Let me find another MOSFET from a donor board, and then I'm gonna replace it. Okay, we have the MOSFET here. Let's replace it. I'm gonna use this little piece of solder. I'm gonna add some flux. Here, here, and here. And maybe I can rotate the whole ECU to see better. I lost that piece. I don't know. Look at that, it's already moving. Nice, this is like magic. But I need a little more. I think it's enough now. Now I can use hot air, but I think it's not necessary. Wow, it's out. It's out. Alright. Now I want to use the wick to clear that solder. Okay. And now let's solder it. Okay, one more pin to go. press with my tweezer and hold it like that until it hardens. Okay, now it's hard. I'm gonna clean it and I'm gonna measure again. Let's measure again. Meter in continuity mode. One probe here, and let's see. Wow, no more short circuit. No more short circuit. Nice. I think it's done. I'm not gonna measure anything else since I found one problem, and I don't think any other chip related to this MOSFET is in short circuit, because we don't have a short circuit anymore. I'm gonna assemble the unit and send it to the customer. Okay, I assemble it and I'm gonna send it to the customer. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna work on something else now.